shutter. Well, it's been a week here. Not only was I deathly sick, like fever of 102, it was awful. And I still managed to get this piece of crap back together. So, a little update. I got the right injector extensions, as you can see there. Now everything is plugged up. Everything is pretty much ready to go there. And we still have an issue back here. Like I said, I have a fuel leak. I'm not sure exactly why yet. I don't think it's a problem with the ECS pump. I think it's fine. The ECS fuel block. I believe it's my factory gasket, and I have moved it around a couple different ways, and it's still leaking. Currently, we are headed to Codys' house. That was a cop. Currently, we are headed to Codys' house to get stuff that he forgot, because tonight we are headed down to Codys' shop to work on his car. What are we doing? I think we are pulling the motor out tonight. Well, he is. I'm not going to do much tonight. I'm just going to vlog. But I have to go to his house because he forgot the dollies that we're going to set the motor on at his house this morning. So, I'm going to go get those. But I'm in no hurry to get there. Hopefully that cop's not... Oh, I think he is. Alright, guys. So, I got the dollies, as you can see here. And I am going to go run a few errands, and then I'm off to the shop, and we're going to see what kind of progress he's made. Cody, I'm not even sure I'm going to put this in the vlog. This is just a personal message for you. And I know it's partially my fault, because I waited forever. But it's fucking icing right now. Literally sleeting. And I'm about to drive to Front Royal to bring you these stupid dollies that you forgot. I hate you. I really do. But I'm on my way. Okay, Pasa.
What's up, man?
I brought you food. You're welcome. Jason's grabbing the stuff. How's this coming? That doesn't look good. Well, folks, it looks like he's actually made a great deal of progress. Look how proud of himself he is. As he eats his cheeseburger. Yeah, probably not. Actually, in theory, it really doesn't look like you got much further than we were the other day.
I was just about to say that.
By the way, is this shop always this well lit?
Yeah. We used to always have all light.
Oh, that would have really helped when we were filming before. Cody.
Would, because...
Nope.
No. What holds your car from rolling down a hill when it's in park, Cody? I thought it's because the wheels locked, so one went this way and the other went that way. Like that.
You guys got that?
Cody,
Do we all know how an LSD works now? No? Okay. Well, I'll explain. So, when you turn the wheel... Actually, do you have your parking brake on?
Yes. Yeah, there's a flat plate here. So most likely they are rusted together. So you need to take a hammer and hit your knuckle to break it loose.
Yeah. Sponsored by Fiji. The water of race cars. Whoa, what's going on over here? They still haven't got the drive shaft out. We are like 10 minutes in now to drive shaft and chill.
Yeah, because if you look at it,
so where are we at?
almost ready.
You said you were almost ready when we got here. That was an hour ago.
Yeah, well, alright.
Probably better than his original idea.
Hey, don't make it walk. Before you drop these too much, make sure the other side is broken. Lord have mercy. Okay.
Well, that looks important. What is that? Oh.
That's a ground.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to take those off. So there you have it. Cody got his motor out, and that's it for tonight. We'll be back here in the morning to do oil pump gears. So it's day number 2. Today we are going to, I guess, well, they're already working on it. They're getting the oil pump gears out. I've been working on a C5 all morning, as you can see there. That's my buddy Jenkins' car. We just put a new head unit in it, so nothing too fancy, but he needed some help wiring that in. So we're getting ready to grab a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna head down and see what kind of progress Cody's made. All right, so real quick update. Apparently, well, we were already at the shop, but Cody and his dad are done with oil pump gears. However, Cody forgot to order gaskets. So guess what me and Jason are doing? What are we doing, Jason?
We are running right back to where we were at. While Andy always gets pulled over by a cop for on a being on his phone for well, actually camera, doing a vlog. But yeah, so we gotta run all the way back to Winchester to grab the gaskets for the timing cover and valve covers for his motor. Then we gotta run back to Front Royal and hopefully put the motor back in the car today.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'll see how bored I get.
Yeah, same. We might just go home and buy useless things on the internet with his card.
Ooh, we do have his card.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, I need some, let's put nitrous on frostbite.
Oh.
Yeah, that works.
There you go. I need a fuel system.
Jason needs a fuel system. All right.
Yeah. All right, we're good. We're good.
We're golden. All right, little update, guys. We're putting the timing cover back on. So sorry we missed all the oil pump gear action, but I'm pretty sure Cody's dad would have murdered him and me if I'd have put a camera in his face. So, yeah, we're just working on this now. Special thanks to Cody's dad for getting all that done for us. Oh no, it no fit.
I have a feeling you're going to put that in there still.
Alright, so quick little update. Yeah, we're still fucking with the headers.
I got it on. I'm making him tighten it up.
Cody's tightening it up. I'm going to go get some food for everybody. And what are we getting? A socket?
O2 sensor.
O2 sensor socket. This is PJ. She's here. So, yeah. Went and got everybody dinner. We just ate. Cody's working on some shit that we're almost there. It's not quite lining up yet, but we're gonna mess with that here in a minute. But anyway, Cody's getting ready to try and mess with these O2 sensors. Ooh, and while I was at AutoZone, or Advanced, we found this little guy. Look at it. You hear it? It spins.
You're gonna have to figure out this O2 issue quick. Yeah. Advanced doesn't have any. Closest Advanced it has is CarQuest Winchester. Closest AutoZone that has it is Woodstock, Virginia.
So wait, I just looked at Advanced and said they had it. Did you call?
No, it's shipped to site pickup.
Okay.
You ought to call them real quick, see if they got it. Because that could be wrong.
All right, well, let's figure this out.
Not sold at this location. Front Royal, Virginia.
Okay, but there's more options. See right there?
Not sold at this location. That's Pigtail. Not sold at this location.
Well, not just so they have.
available for store pickup. We can't do that.
Haha!
Did we have an aha moment?
Yeah,
well, that's good.
Oh, that's actually where you'll have to connect your extender into your O2 in there.
I don't know if I updated the sense, but we got the motor in.
So they seem like they fixed it, but on the older SN197s, the 5.9s, these rubber grommets here, they were of a harder rubber. So they would get clogged, and then it would cause it to leak on the inside of the vehicle.
Do you know where the other one of those is?
What?
You got two of those black things in your hand? Okay.
So,
Well, you already start it.
huh?
You already start it. Make sure
Are
it runs
we?
out.
Battery.
I need to get the password on
Did you all get that bolt? Oh yeah, you got it. That's good.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, let it go.
Sounds
Do it
fine
again?
to me.
Alright.
I don't hear anything I don't like.
No. And let me plug this bad boy in. You got the key off?
Yeah, key's off now.
Alright.
You want me to start it all the way?
Just prime it.
All right, promise.
Prime it again. Keep priming it. Alright. Oh wait. Let that go off. Oh, bitch. Just let it run.
It is back in the hole, and next week we're gonna put a blower on it. So that's it for tonight, guys. That's it for this vlog. Cody, any closing thoughts?
Oh man, so it runs alright.
You tired?
Yeah, I'm extremely tired.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna clean up and head on home. So we will catch you guys on the next one. One more thing. The blower came in, guys, and here it is. Oh no! Oh. Doesn't want to focus. Ah, there it is.